Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we will walk you through the sales dashboards of Invent ERP, a place where you can gain a comprehensive overview of your sales performance. Let's get started. From the home page, navigate to the main menu. Head to the Sales module. Under Sales, click on Dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Now you're at the center of your sales insights. The dashboard provides you with an overview of your entire sales performance, all in one easy-to-navigate space. At the upper left, you'll notice the Sales. This is your gateway to quick access for quotations and sales orders. Right next to that, you'll see the Products. Here's where you can access all product-related information, whether it's categories, pricing, or more. And on the far right, you'll find the Configuration, where you can manage essential settings. Now, let's take a deep dive into the dashboard itself. Are you ready? Let's explore it together. At first glance, you'll notice the quick view statistics of your sales data. This helps you grasp the pulse of your business at a glance. Want to see how your sales are doing throughout the year? Check out the monthly sales graph, giving you a detailed look at your performance by month. Next up, we have a breakdown of the sales statuses, plus a list of your top quotations. This allows you to easily track where each of your quotations stands in the process. Scroll down a little, and you'll see top sales orders and top customers. This section is crucial for tracking which orders and customers are driving the most revenue. Finally, you can also view the top products. This provides insights into which products are generating the most sales. And let's not forget, right at the top of the dashboard, you can apply filters to customize your view. By applying these filters, you can narrow down your search. This helps you pinpoint exactly what you're looking for in a matter of seconds. And that's what we have for the sales dashboard. Now, let's take a quick overview of how the sales process works in Invent ERP. From creating a quotation all the way to invoicing your customer. When you're on the quotation page, you'll be able to view all the statuses of your quotations. This helps you easily track each stage of the process. Once your quotation is ready and you're happy with it, you can go ahead and send it by email directly from the system. After sending it, the quotation status will automatically update to quotation sent. If everything looks good, it's time to confirm the quotation. Press the Confirm button. And this will officially turn the quotation into a confirmed sales order. With the order confirmed, you're ready to move forward. You can now create an invoice and start the invoicing cycle, ensuring smooth billing for your customer. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. You've now learned how to navigate the sales dashboard in Invent ERP, from viewing top sales data to managing the entire sales process.